Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny and I'm at home and I've got you some deals and you know you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in. It's real quick and easy. Just share this to your Facebook news feed. You can do it right now. Won't take but a second with a little notation to ask your friends to share with their friends. Everybody's going to be happy about saving some money. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, we save money every day with a video every day. Daily deals. So, go ahead, subscribe, do it now. That way you don't forget. And make sure all your notifications are on. And that way you won't miss a thing. And while we're talking about missing anything, please allow the video to play all the way to the end. It's super important because at the end there's usually the best information. Not to mention, YouTube watches the watch time, and that's what determines your notifications. And when you allow that video to play all the way to the end, including those ads, it helps everyone. So thank you from everyone, and we love you bunches. And of course, the all-important thing, please leave a comment. If you need a prayer request, let me know. If you need a scenario request, let me know. If you want to tell what happened to you this weekend at the Dollar General, you can let us know. We're here for you. That's why we're crazy friends. Alright, everybody. Come on in. We're going to talk about, well, the sodas. We have so many good soda deals this weekend. And we've got some good food deals. And, of course, any of the deals that I tell you about, that are scenarios, you are going to do on Saturday. But if you don't want to wait until Saturday, you can break them apart, mix them up if you want to, and use them individually. Okay? Any day of the week. But Saturday is the best day to do your shopping because you save an additional 5 off 25, and you can do that as many times as you like. You got those paper 5 off 25 coupons that you can use, as well as different accounts if you have them. So you have several ways that you can save $5 more than one time. Okay, just saying. So let's have a look at what we're going to do. We've got a couple of scenarios and a little heads up daily deal. And we're going to start calling this the forever deal until it runs out too, because it seems to be on there for the last few weeks. But let's talk about this deal. 2 for $10 on the Tombstone pizzas with a $3 off. That's 2 for $7. That's dinner, guys. Yep, that's cheaper than getting the pizza out. So, that's dinner, 2 for $7. But then you need something to drink with it. So let's pick up the 3 12-packs of Mountain Dew because we got double-dip coupons for those. We got a $4 store coupon still and a $2 manufacturer coupon. And then next, because we need, the beverages, this is what this one's all about, we're going to pick up the Detergent water for $5.75. You got a $2 off. Now, with this, let's go to our math. With this, we're looking at $30.75. And you've got $16 in coupons coming off. That is more than 50%. That's right, you're saving more than 50% on Saturday. You don't need a clearance event. You just need the right coupons and the right combination. So in this case, you're going to be saving $16. That leaves you a final out-of-pocket of $14.75 for 2 Tombstone pizzas, 3 12-packs of Mountain Dew, and a 24-pack of Detergent water. Now this is like purchasing your Mountain Dew and getting your pizza and water absolutely free. Now, I do know that we've got the $3 instant savings on the Scott deal, but some people just have a paper towel fetish, okay? And they just like a different variety or a different brand. And in my case, I like having Brawny on hand. They're not for everyday use in my household, but I do like to have them for certain items. So 2 for $9 on the Brawny, and we have a $1 off coupon. So 2 for $8 or $4 a piece. Now that's a winner deal. But we're going to take this deal that's still pretty much a large amount out of pocket for one item and build a scenario around it and get it a lot cheaper. So let's have a look at some of the other items that we're going to get. We've got a new $2 coupon for Arm & Hammer on the $5 Arm & Hammer. We still have $2 coupons out for the $4 bottle of Arm & Hammer. Okay? So, in this other scenario, we're going to pick up 2 of the Arm & Hammer detergents, one the $5 and one the $4, and 2 of the Brawny paper towels. Now, your next item is going to be the Febreze small spaces for $3.50. Ooh, I got $3.25 on my math, but we'll fix that. For $3.50, and you've got a $2 off. Now, you also have a $2 off on the car Febreze scent. It's $3.60. Alrighty. So, let's have a look at the math of this deal. The other thing I want to tell you, if you don't want to do the Febreze items, because you're actually getting $4 off on the Febreze items, you could actually do the Gain dish. It's going to be about as close as you're going to get to about the same amount of payout. Okay, you'll have less savings, but you'll have about the same amount of payout. Now let's look at the math here. We got the Brawny paper towels, the Arm & Hammer for $4, the Arm & Hammer for $5, the Febreze small spaces, and the Febreze car. Now at that point, we are at, well, we will be at $25 because I made that 25-cent mistake. Okay, so we're going to be at $25. You do not necessarily need that dollar item, but you might want to take one up there or a piece of candy just in case you do. Okay, because you're so close to the $25 mark. So in this scenario, I will be at $26, okay? I've got $14 coming off. That's a $12 out of pocket. I do believe. Yep, it's a $12 out of pocket. So that's still a winner chicken dinner deal because we've got our 2 Brawny for $9 and our 2 Arm & Hammer products and our 2 Febreze products. So that is $2 a piece. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yep, $2 a piece for each item. So right there, guys, is your 2 daily deals that I've got for you. Now let me tell you about our detergent deal. That is our new fave. Here are the coupons, guys. The $2.05 manufacturer coupon and the 50-cent store coupon. The store coupon expires on the 25th and the manufacturer coupon expires on the 31st. So you want to get this. You do not want to miss out on this deal. And I'm talking about these 550 Tide Pods. The Downy or the Oxy Boost. That $2.50 is attaching to these, making these $3 out of pocket. So don't miss out on this. It's a definite winner chicken dinner deal. And you can include it in any scenario, or you can just get down to the store tomorrow with $3 and buy this. Okay? So blessings, and I'll see you again real soon with more deals, because there is so much more.